In this video, we're going to talk about where you can find content ideas for social media. So if you're a business owner or social media marketer, in order to create content that resonates with them, attract the right audience so that you could grow your social media, as well as to validate and to ensure that you're producing the right content. There are 6 ways for you to find content ideas in social media, and I'm going to share to you my screen. The first one is Pinterest. We all know that Pinterest is a visual tool. Not only it is a social media platform, but it's more of a search engine instead of a social media platform. Whenever you're going to produce content on Pinterest, it lasts for a lifetime. And if you're going to maximize Pinterest, especially if you're a small business, then this is the right place for you, specifically if you're targeting US audience or US demographics. So what I will do is I'm going to head to my search bar. And as you can see, it already have different ideas that are designated or dedicated for me based on my interest and based on what I'm searching on Pinterest. So the search bar or the ideas for you and popular on Pinterest, ideas for you are designed for me who is interested or specifically looking for this specific content. And popular on Pinterest is more of like this encouraging you to look for trends that are popular right now on Pinterest. So let's say for instance, I'm going to look for skincare. And what you will see is that with skincare, there are a lot of content that has been suggested. So as you can see here, skincare routine, skincare aesthetic, skincare quotes, skincare tips, skincare organization, skincare the ordinary, skincare product, photography. What you will do is you will collect the specific keywords that are suggested. Let's say for instance, let's go for skincare routine. So as you can see in skincare routine, it dives deeper on different topics like skincare, Korean skincare routine, acne skincare routine, skincare routine order, the ordinary skincare routine, survey skincare routine. So you have more ideas of what you need to produce or what content you could produce. It's not about copying, but getting the ideas of what specific title if you're going to use Pinterest. One of the best ways that you can do is to save it on an Excel sheet or you save it on Airtable, wherever you're saving your content ideas. The next one I would recommend to you is to install Keywords Everywhere. Let's go for Keywords Everywhere. Keywords Everywhere is a Google Chrome extension that you can add. And as you can see here at the top right corner where I save all of the Google Chrome extension, I have here my Keywords Everywhere. And this is a free Google Chrome extension, but once your credit is already, once you have maximized all your credit, then you can purchase another credit. Here's an example if you're going to purchase credit. Let's say for instance, you're going to buy a $10 credit, then it would be 100,000 of credits. So what do they mean is whenever you're going to search, then you will be able to know the different data, the monthly searches. 1 credit equals 1 keyword. What does this mean is that you will be able to search a specific keyword and then it will give you suggested keywords that are relevant to that keyword, and this will give you monthly searches and all of that. So here are some examples. As you can see here, this will illustrate you the trends or data of the Keywords Everywhere. And when you go and visit to Pinterest, as you can see here, find pin topics for skincare. You're going to click this one. Then it will lead you to this Google Chrome extension. They will collect specific keywords that is specifically related to skincare routine. Another way for you to find content ideas is Google. Now we're going to type skincare. So I have typed skincare routine. So as you can see here, they have different suggestions. You will see first images. So you will take this as an inspiration whenever you're creating content for your social media. Another one is the most common or frequent questions that people ask. So what should a daily skincare be like? what is the basic skincare routine, how do I start a skincare routine, what are the 7 steps of skincare routine. And to follow that, here are the blogs that are related to skincare routine, and the list goes on. And as you can see here, because of keywords everywhere, you can definitely see here the trend of what's going on. You can see here the trend of skincare routine. As the time goes by, it increases, the search volume of skincare routine increases through time. Another place for you to find content ideas, if you have Facebook group or if you have been part of Facebook groups, you can go to the search bar and type specific keyword on the search bar, so you will know the conversations or discussions that has been discussed on that specific Facebook group where your target audience or ideal client hang out. Let's say, for instance, as an example, if you're looking for community for skincare, then you will look for groups on skincare, and then you will go to the search bar and type the specific keywords that you're looking for. Let's say, for instance, you're looking for skincare ingredients, and then you will have an idea what are the discussions that are going on in the community, not only for search intent, but also to know what are the current discussions that is going through with your ideal client or ideal customer. Another place for you to go to with content ideas are DM conversations or comments. So you might disregard this, but most oftentimes our potential client or ideal customer or our customers themselves will ask us specific questions. These are the best ways for us to generate content that would address their specific questions or objections when it comes to buying our product or using our product. So you are going to maximize producing content that would speak directly to them or answer their specific questions or objections. And the last place where you can find content ideas is Answer the Public. So I'm going to type here skincare routine. What it will do is that it will populate specific questions, propositions, comparisons that are specifically related to skincare routine. So as you can see here, here's a visual where you are going to be able to see keywords that are related to this one, and these specific keywords are the questions or are the keywords that are being searched by your potential client or your customer. So as you can see, I'm going to show you here. So here are the lists. You have here what is skincare routine? Is it skincare routine necessary? So as you can see, there are different ways for you to find content ideas for your business. Those are the 6 ways that you could produce content for your social media, and you don't have to worry what would be the next content that you will produce on your social media. Make sure to subscribe and comment down below if you have questions related to social media marketing for your business, and I'll see you in the next time. Bye!